Opus Clip versus Riverside. Which video tool wins? Choosing the right video editing platform can completely change how you create engaging content without wasting hours on complex software. Both Opus Clip and Riverside offer unique features worth exploring. Opus Clip and Riverside are powerful video tools designed for content creators, but their core difference lies in focus. Opus Clip excels at automatic clipping and short-form content creation, while Riverside specializes in high-quality remote recording and live interviews. Opus Clip is an AI-powered video editing platform that automatically generates short clips from longer videos. It works by analyzing your footage, detecting key moments, and creating engaging highlights optimized for social media. This automation saves creators significant time compared to manual editing. Opus Clip's strengths include fast processing, intuitive user interface, and support for multiple social platforms. It is ideal for creators focused on repurposing existing content into short, shareable clips without needing advanced editing skills. However, Opus Clip has limitations in full-length video production and detailed customization as it prioritizes speed and simplicity over deep editing features. Users looking for quick content snippets and enhanced audience engagement will find Opus Clip especially valuable, while those requiring comprehensive editing tools might need additional software. Riverside is a remote recording platform designed for podcasters, interviewers, and video creators needing studio-quality audio and video from anywhere. It records locally on each participant's device, ensuring high resolution without internet disruptions. Riverside supports multi-track recording, live streaming, and real-time collaboration, making it a robust choice for professional content production. Its strengths include superior recording quality, ease of use for remote interviews, and seamless integration with editing workflows. Limitations include less emphasis on automated editing and clipping, requiring users to handle post-production separately. Riverside is ideal for teams or individuals producing podcasts, webinars, or interviews who need reliable, high-fidelity recordings remotely. Users focused on polished, long-form content with professional audio-video quality will benefit most from Riverside's capabilities. Comparing Opus Clip and Riverside highlights distinct use cases. Opus Clip suits creators needing quick, automated short clips for social media, reducing editing time drastically, but offering limited control over final output. Riverside excels in remote recording scenarios, delivering broadcast-quality audio and video ideal for interviews and podcasts, but requires manual editing afterward. For solo creators repurposing content, Opus Clip's AI clipping is a game changer. For teams or interview-based content, Riverside's local recording and multi-track support provide unmatched quality. The trade-off is automation versus control, speed versus production depth. Choosing between them depends on whether your priority is fast content snippets or professional-grade remote recording. Opus Clip is recommended for creators focusing on fast, automated, short-form video content with minimal editing effort and maximum social media impact. Riverside is best for professionals needing high-quality remote recordings and full control over long-form content production. Selecting the right tool depends on your workflow, but both platforms offer valuable solutions tailored to different video creation needs.